Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this today's video I will show you a chess puzzle. Can you find the mating tree here? So watch this video until the end and you will know the answer. And subscribe my channel to help me improve this channel even more, and share this video for more people see these cool puzzles. And now let's get in. So I will allow you to pause the video and try to figure it out. What is the sequence to win as white? You found it? Okay, now it's the answer time. And the first thing I have to say is that you never move your king. If you move your king here, it will be a stalemate because the king can't move and the pawn is pinned. Okay? So don't move your king and don't move your knight, because if you move your knight, it won't be a checkmate in three. So the only piece here is the bishop. But the bishop can go these squares here I'm pointing. But which square is the correct? So pause again and try to guess what square is the correct one. You found it? If you guess every square but except this C6 one, you are wrong, because if you move every square but C6, it would be a stalemate because the king is trapped. So the correct move here is bishop to c6, because you're forcing the black to take her bishop. And now the key move here is king to c8, blocking the king, forcing black to play c5, and knight to c7 would be checkmate. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe my channel as I said in the beginning of the video, and share this video for more people to see. I will wait you for the next puzzles. Take care.